Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure the device has at least 20% battery and is on Wi-Fi. This avoids interruptions. Next, open Settings and go straight to Themes or launch the Wallpapers and Themes app. This is where Samsung stores theme controls. Once there, check whether you want to back up your current home screen layout. It's optional but useful. Now, tap the menu or profile icon to access your downloaded themes and get ready to select the default option. You should now view installed themes under My Stuff or Purchased. This lists everything on your phone. Find the one labeled Default, Basic, or Samsung. Preview it to confirm it's the stock look. Once confirmed, hit Apply and read the confirmation prompt. This restores icons, wallpaper, and system accents to factory settings. After applying, the launcher reloads. Give it a moment. If some icons seem misplaced, rearrange or restore your backed-up layout. The core theme will already be set. Finish by checking every screen and the quick panel. Make sure app icons, wallpaper, and accent colors match the default. If elements didn't update, reboot the phone. This forces the launcher to reload. If Apply failed or the theme app misbehaves, clear cache. Go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Themes, right arrow Storage, right arrow Clear Cache, then retry. Finally, if icons are missing, open Home Settings and choose Reset Home Layout. That restores icon placement without affecting the theme.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.